Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the sun visor clip from an EK Honda Civic. So first of all, let me show you how it's look like from the one I removed from the other side. Here you have a hole right here that you need to put a flat screwdriver. It pushes this clip and then you can rotate it and get it out. Here you can see you have those holes here and here, so you need to be like in this angle to get them out. So let me just show you. Here you go, turn it around. That's it, easy as that. Thank you very much. If you need more parts for your EK on the Civic, please contact us in the email below. If the video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos on how to disassemble parts from your Honda Civic, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.